Jai Ma Kali, Jai Ma Tara, Jai Bhairav Baba. This is a requested video, a tarot reading in English. There are n number of soul sisters, soul brothers, soul family who requested a lot saying ki ma'am please add on English subtitle and if possible do reading in English also because we are not basically Hindi people and we are from Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and so on. So if you could be possibly doing English reading, it will be helpful for us. So this is one for you, and I would definitely try to post this videos at least twice a month or more if possible, if permitted by God as divinely guided. So now this is a general reading. This is a timeless collective reading. If it resonates with you, kindly let me know. Okay. The first card for you here came as the Emperor. The Emperor here seems to be ready to take action, ready to take responsibility, ready to own up the thing which is currently happening in your life. You may be male, you may be female, whatever your gender is, but irrespective of it, you are in the dominant masculine energy which says you are ready to take the responsibility, you are ready to own up whatever happened is because of some of your deeds or most of your deeds, but you are not ready to surrender and let go of your ego. Here it says ki you somewhere have to be act according to the life lessons you have learned in the past. You have been going through so many things, and universe, the divine father, divine mother, Mahadev, Ma Kali is protecting you, is guiding you, and they have given you n number of wisdom so far, and you are so wise and knowledgeable. But you know that you are taking action, you are working towards the welfare of your family, you are putting in lot of efforts for the family to be happy, the person or persony of your life to be happy, but somewhere you feel like your actions, your efforts are not considered or valued. You feel as if no one is actually acknowledging the efforts and the deeds you do for them unconditionally and the hard work you put in to make them see what they deserve and make them feel or pamper them, but they feel as if you are not enough, and this actually broke your heart. You are so disturbed right now. You feel like I am someone who sweat all the day to actually earn bread. I here see somewhere you are the sole earner for your family. Mostly here I see the masculine energy or male persony, whatever you are, actually doesn't matter, but here we resonate with the energy. But somewhere 70 to 75 people are male gender wise here I could see. So what is coming in your life? What is coming in your life is the equal give and take, a beautiful opportunity with Page of Cups, Two of Cups and the Empress card. In your family, what all the disputes are going on or what all you could not relate to or tolerate, you feel like everything is not happening as per your wish and will, but universe says there is a beautiful new beginning coming your way, and you will be seeing that all your wishes are coming true the moment you let go of the expectation or desperation. Somewhere universe says you are very much keen and desperate for getting the judgment, divine judgment, and you want a new beginning desperately. You are so tired of what you have been going through for the past 3 months for some people, past 1 year, 8 months for some people. You are going through a huge traumatic roller coaster ride where you are almost exhausted. You feel like you are ready to give up, but universe says no. You have put in so much of hard work, you have put in all your love, all your prayers, all your well wishes for the family, and you have been doing all the good work so far, and it will be rewarded in due time. So universe says, please be positive, please be hopeful, and do things in a positive manner so that you can get rewards as per the divine plan. Universe says, trust the divine plan, divine guidance is provided for you, your marriage is protected, your relationship is protected, you are protected. Don't be so emotionally drained or desperate, because this desperation energy is pushing the positive energy coming towards you. The moment you let go of the waiting energy, your wishes will come true with the 9 of Cups wish fulfillment card of the tarot deck as for me. Okay. Universe, what is the final card for the people, the beautiful souls listening to this particular reading right now? Universe, let me know what you want to say, Makali, Matara. Okay. Don't be in the 4 of Cups energy where universe is giving you a huge blessing, but you are not at all ready to see the blessings coming your way. Instead, you are saying that I'm not comfortable, I don't deserve this, I don't want this, I want that, and what I want that. But universe is giving better, best, and it is making the things happen your way, but it will take time. Definitely it will take time, but universe wants you to change the energy of being isolating yourself and sitting in a quiet room or corner. You have a particular couch or a particular placement in the sofa, and you used to go and sit in that room, in that particular couch or sofa, wherever you feel comfortable, and you are just like a couch potato, confined your energy and your aura to that particular place. Universe wants you to expand it, start moving, take action, take a step forward, and listen to your intuition. Get out of your discomfort zone, because this zone is not your comfort zone. You are discomforted यहाँ पे, and you feel like you don't feel comfortable, but still you feel that you are going through so much and you don't want to get out of there. Get rid of that mental conflict, get out of that discomfort zone, balance yourself and take action. Your person or persony will be coming back to you very soon, and you will be enjoying equal give and take in your relationship. Okay. Finally, universe, what is that one particular energy you wanna give? What you wanna say, universe, with the oracle card? What is the guidance for the person listening to this particular video right now as per your divine plan? Okay. Intuitive insights. You are receiving powerful intuitive insights. Follow them. As I say, you are divinely guided, you are connected to the highest source, supreme power, and universe is continuously connecting to you, conversing with you, they are talking to you, they are giving you signs, symbols, and particular song lyrics is coming to you again and again and again. You are not giving your energy towards it, or neither you are focusing on that, you are just sitting in a sad mentality. Universe says, just listen to your intuition and be open with the sensory organs, because you are getting divine visions, guidance as the sensory thing, because universe says dream guidance is given through dreams, visions, pictures, and so many things. So be open and receptive to all the magics happening in your life. Face the truth, acknowledge yourself, acknowledge the truth, and everything is working on your favor for sure. Intuition reflects the truth like a mirror. You have to accept it, you have to acknowledge it, you have to own it up first, and then if you want to change it, or if you want to proudly show it off. But you have to see and acknowledge it for sure. Okay. So this is for now. If you like this kind of video, let me know in the comment. I would try to make English videos at least twice a month. If time allows, time permits, I will do more. And hope you like this video. Thank you so much for listening to me, taking your precious time and giving it to me. And I am grateful to spend this time with you. Thank you so much for being with me. And this is me, Misha, माँ काली एंड महाकाली's फेवरेट चाइल्ड। मैं अपने माँ बाबा से बहुत ज़्यादा प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि उनकी कृपा आप पर हमेशा बनी रहे। दैट मीन्स आई प्रे टू माई मम्मा बाबा, दैट इज़ माँ काली एंड महाकाल। Being their favorite child, I wish and pray that all your wishes come true, all your dreams manifest easily and effortlessly, which are meant to be the highest good of your life. So, stay blessed, be positive, affirm positive, talk positive, think positive, do good to yourself, take care of yourself, take care of the family and your loved ones. Move forward, do good karma, because every single karma, every single action is being counted and noted by the Supreme Power. If you want to have a personal session, personal reading, personal healing, you can connect to me through the email ID WhatsApp link given in the description box. If you want to buy Maa Kali's Zebu coin, Maa Kali's bracelet, which is divinely manifested during this Gupta Navratri of Maa Kali, if you want to get that, you can connect to me through the same WhatsApp link या फिर आप email ID. Either you want to do Maa Kali ka Manasa Manthan 11 days recorded course, you can connect to me for that too. Okay, so this is me, Misha, Maa Kali and Mahakal's favorite ladly child, signing off. Take care of yourself. Tata, love you a lot and I'm so grateful for having you here. जय माँ काली, जय माँ तारा, जय भैरव बाबा, हर हर महादेव, हर हर शंकरा।